Hi everyone, it's nice to see you. I have a science experiment for us to do today. I have baking soda and I have vinegar. I have some vinegar in these little cups here, and I also have yellow food coloring and blue food coloring today. I have some egg cartons that I cut them in half. I'm using the top to support. I'm turning the egg carton upside down. We're gonna make little volcanoes today. So we have these little spots. So instead of having it right side up, I'm turning it upside down and putting it in the top to support it. And the other egg carton, I cut the little pieces out and made little volcanoes. I cut this piece off right here, cut it off, cut the bottom so it's flat, and made a little hole on the top. And I'm using the top of the other egg carton so that you can see it, so it's up a little bit higher. So the first thing that we're gonna do is I have a little scoop. I have 2 little scoops. I just went in my kitchen and started looking around, found 2 little scoops. So I'm gonna take the small one and take some baking soda. I'm gonna put it in the little space in between. Put that a little closer so you can see it. Filling that up. I'm gonna do 2 right now. Filling up the other one. All right. And then I'm gonna take another one and I'm gonna put it on top of here. I'm gonna put it under that little volcano. Maybe pour a little more in through the top. And then I have a couple of squeezies. I have a squeezy that looks like this. I have a medicine dropper squeezy that I can pull out and put liquid in. And I'm gonna take the food coloring. So I'm gonna start with yellow. And I'm gonna put some yellow in here. And I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna put some yellow here. I think I'm gonna do 2 droppers of yellow there. And then I'm gonna put yellow over here. I'm gonna show you what that looks like a little bit closer. So it just has the yellow on top. And now, this is the fun part. Let's see if I can bring you a little bit closer. I'm gonna move these jars over. And I'm gonna bring this a little bit closer. I'm gonna get my medicine dropper and I'm gonna fill it with vinegar. I'm pulling it out of this jar, filling it up, and now I have a medicine dropper full of vinegar. First one we're gonna do is the volcano. I'm gonna stick it in there. I'm gonna push the vinegar in. Did you see that? It came out the top. Wow. There's one volcano. All right, I'm gonna get some more vinegar. And then we're gonna put it over on the other side, the egg carton. Put the vinegar on top, see what happens. Oh, that's very cool. It's moving into the other one. A little bit more on this side. You see it bubbling up? I'm gonna bring you in a little closer, take a look at that. Now I'm gonna do some blue volcanoes. So this time I'm gonna fill this up with baking soda on this side. A little bit's gonna fall out. It's okay if baking soda gets in your pan. I have my egg cartons inside a cake tray. And then I'm gonna flip it over. There's a lot in there. And then I'm gonna get the blue, and I'm gonna put blue on the top. Fill up that hole with blue. It's not bubbling out yet. So I'm gonna get some vinegar. I'm gonna pull the vinegar into my medicine dropper. Got some vinegar in there. I'm gonna put it in the hole. Let's see what happens. bubbling up. And then we're gonna get some more scoops. And you can practice with this any way you want. If you don't want to use the volcanoes, or if you don't have them, you can just put a pile in your cake tray or on top of your egg carton. I'm gonna give you a closer look at that. So that's the baking soda. There's another one in here. And this time I'm gonna put some blue on top. And I'll put some blue over here. And then I'm gonna put some yellow too. Put some yellow over here. Oh, my blue and my yellow mixed up. What do you think is gonna happen? What will happen? And a little bit more vinegar. And I put it on top of there. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at those all. It looks like a rainbow of colors. And I'll get a little more vinegar. And I'm gonna put it on top of here. And you can keep adding vinegar. I'm gonna put some more vinegar in this yellow one here. Oh, and they're starting to mix all together. I'm gonna give you a closer look at that. And you can keep adding more baking soda, and you can keep adding more vinegar, and you can keep adding more colors, and you can use any colors you like. You can use food coloring, or you can use watercolors, whatever you have at home. I hope you have fun playing with the baking soda and the vinegar and watching the volcanoes. Have a good day. Bye.